This is how to adjust the compression of an IG door using the adjustable hinges. For this, we will need a 5mm Allen key, a 2mm Allen key, and a small bladed screwdriver to remove the cover caps. Start by undoing the security grub screw on the side of the hinge using the 2mm Allen key. Then remove the top cover cap from the hinge. This exposes the compression adjustment screw that's in the top of the hinge. There is a small mark on the screw that gives you an indication of its position. When the mark is pointing sideways towards the door, then that is the neutral position. For maximum compression, the mark is rotated towards the frame. For minimum compression, the mark is rotated away from the frame. Use the 5mm Allen key to move the adjustment screw to change the amount of compression onto the door seals as required. When you are happy with the position, tighten the security grub screw and replace the cover cap.